was scorned. He was humiliated. Alifanyiwa madharau. Na alifanyiwa madharau na Rais Uhuru Kenyatta. Na wafanyikazi wake. Walimfanyia madharau. Yeye na marafiki zake. Wanasiasa na wafanyibiashara. Walifanyia madharau William Ruto. Na Wakenya mahaslas wengi. Leo mimi nina furaha sana. Kama vile huyo Waititu alisema, Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, wewe ulifikiri miaka 10 ni nyingi sana. Today you have 2 days to go. And the Constitution does not allow you an extra day. Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta, I want to tell you as a friend, a man who worked with you, Kenya is bigger than you. Kenya is more prosperous than you. You have no legacy. You have put our country into debt. You have violated the rule of law. You have used independent institutions and the criminal justice system the last 5 years like your personal property. You have abused the Constitution. You have abused the rule of law. Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta, we are telling you, as you remain with the 2 days, please, please, leave our country in peace. Leave our country in peace. The Constitution has given you a robust retirement package, just like the previous president. Wewe umemtesa William Ruto miaka 5. Umetesa Sonko. Umetesa viongozi marafiki wa William Ruto. Lakini Baba Binguni, God the Almighty, has brought us to this day. We want the people of Kenya to exercise their constitutional right to elect the next government. A government that will be led, inshallah, by William Ruto, that will respect the Constitution, that will revive the economy, that will create jobs, that will give people sustainable, proper health care. Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, Mungu ni mkubwa. Ulikuwa na kiburi, ulitesa watu, lakini wewe utakuwa raia baada ya siku 2. As your friend, and I want to tell the public servants, senior public servants, my chief, my DC, county commissioners, regional coordinators, you know how many Kenyans went to ICC. Don't make your place in ICC. We are watching you. You will carry the cross. Uhuru Kenyatta has used public servant the last 5 years. He can no longer protect you. Today he was at Moi Air Base, handing over as the commander-in-chief of the Kenya Defense Forces. Uhuru Kenyatta will be a citizen. He will lose the immunity that the Constitution has given him. I want to ask ministers and PSS and public servants, you swore to defend the Constitution. You did not swear to defend Uhuru Kenyatta. Don't carry the cross. Protect your families. Protect the Constitution. Kenyans will go to the polls on Tuesday and they will elect a government that they want. And that government will be led by none other than the 5th president and the 5th deputy president who are sitting here. Watu wa Nairobi mumekubaliana hiyo? Mumekubaliana hiyo? Mutachukua kura zetu. Mutachukua kura zetu. Mr. Chebukati, the able chair of IBC, you have a legacy to protect. Be like Isaac Hassan. Protect the will of the people. Protect and count the votes of the people of Kenya. Do not succumb to the whims of Uhuru Kenyatta and his project kitendawili. Nyinyi ni watu wa hasala ama watu wa kitendawili? Wangapi watapigia William Ruto kura? Asanteni.
Asante sana. Sasa watu wangu tafadhali,